This is the Sea-Doo flush adapter here. This is for, I'm using this on a 2022 Sea-Doo Spark WaveRunner. You could see here, this is the, right here, the cap that it goes on. Let's just get the cap off here and I'll just show you what it looks like when we install it. This is for flushing the system out. If you're winterizing it, you can see this comes out nice and easy right here. And then we're just gonna take this right here. We're just gonna, just goes right in. It's a direct fit. Just screw that in right there, and you can see the other end of it has the thing for the line right here. So this is basically how you're gonna flush your system out right here, but very easy to use. It's a direct fit. This is right from Sea-Doo here. Highly recommend picking one of these up. If not, then you have to figure out how to get something in there to make it work, to make sure you're getting the antifreeze in there properly. So this is, like I said, easy access to flush your system out here, and definitely want to pick one of these up if you have a Sea-Doo WaveRunner. I believe these are the same for many, many years. I believe it's like 2014 to current models, but like I said, this is a 2022 and it fits perfectly on here. This is the cap. This is the flush adapter here. So highly recommend picking this up.